Roses na to.
Ladies and gentlemen, give all applause for a lovely debut from Cameron. You look so beautiful, Tan. Wow. Please be seated.
Ito pala, te?
Ha?
Record pala? Ba't pala na-blush?
Sayang daw. Sayang daw. Happy birthday.
Sayang sad mo.
Always giving good balance. Always pray for abundance in health,
Anong ginawa sa'yo?
wealth, security, and prosperity.
30 minutes?
That you are loved deeply. Always remember Jud ka nga na elementary dito okay to support you in your college life. I hope that you won't forget to take good care of yourself while chasing your dreams and never stop being beautiful, kind, strong person that you are. And that I want to thank you. Your 18th birthday, and I want to tell you that thank you kay nakabot kami ani kalayo and allowing us to witness your growth, and much more for me who has been there, witness one of the major. Very
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Arian Shane Robles, and I'm Elcana's friend. So my gift for Elcana is also something useful. It's actually a bunch of stuff. In general, it's healthcare because I know how hardworking you are. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. Next candidate number 3. From Kalanga, Rampa.
So good evening everyone, I'm Sastuel and cousin ko na Tikan. Happy birthday Tikan, my atek si Jose. Important ako exercises good. And then ako, describe sa akong gift para sa inyo is, ano na siya Tikan ng, ay birthday mo. Ako ng birthday mo.
Birthday ko? Birthday ko? Hindi, not daw.
Tantan.
Thank you, Deborah. Let's go on.
We have created
Dreams and everything she aspires for in this new chapter of life. Email man.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God bless you.
May the Lord God, may the Lord God bless you.
Everybody shout, Happy birthday, Kansan!
Happy birthday, Kansan!
Wow, grabe, bongga. Happy birthday once again, happy birthday ka. Now this time, let's witness Dorothy. Cheers to Kansan!
Unbeknownst to me, my mom had already secretly planned this debut di ay, por sa tinuod lang, usahay, na lang po yung mga hint ka namang ginaistorya ni mama o ka na mabasahan ako sa messenger. Pero, kana lang po ng mga hints, actually, na lang po yung mga hint-hint gamay, pero wala lang po ko ni Asa.
And whenever they ask me, I'd always say,
Thank you so much, guys, for that wonderful message to all of us here. Surely, we cannot fathom the unfathomable love of the Lord. Alright, and that's a wrap up our formal program. But the celebration is just beginning. Thank you to all of you who are here, all the 18 roses, 18 candles, 18 treasures.
Hoy, ikaw nag-litsyon yung gelokan. Hoy, video ni. Si Pindot, video ni. Bawa daw mo.
Uy, Jin, gano'n nag-reunion, Jin, gaya, uy.
Hi, this is for my younger self. Yes. For future self?
Unta daw makaya, plus si Pip.
Future self, di ayo. Oo, naman kaya ako. This is ako lang ako yan.
Ay, oo, this is-
Wala ko pa ilang daw. This is your mom. This is your tita yan, Tita Kim. Tito Kaiden. Tito Willie. Tita Tep-Tep. Ay, nawala na kakay.
Pila ko si Tep-Tep ang mga anak.
Leno kakay. Hindi na namatay ka na lang. Hawa. Tama ko dire. Sa to.
Ano ka? Ano yan? Ang sa mga nakakanta, oy! Pati yan! Dapat saranggula. I'm alive, Papa! Go! Wala na ka